And from the Southeast region, after nearly 10 years of legal delays, adjournments, and courtroom drama, the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, finally commenced on Tuesday before Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court, Abuja, with the federal government opening its terrorism case behind closed witness screens. At the last sitting, Kanu made an open apology in court, paving the way for all parties to agree to an accelerated hearing of the terrorism charges brought against him by the federal government. During Tuesday's proceedings, the court granted an application by the federal government to shield the identities of its witnesses from public view. Counsel to the government, Adegboyega Awolmolu, argued that protecting the witnesses was essential for security reasons. However, Kanu's lead counsel, Kanu Agabi San, did not oppose the application, prompting Justice Omotosho to grant the request. The prosecution then called its first witness, codenamed Pwa, marking the formal opening of the government's case. Members of Kanu legal team, including Emeka Etiaba, Aloy Ejimako, Sylvester Onyi, President of America, veterans of Igbo descent, spoke to reporters following the session, expressing cautious optimism over the resumed trial.
Thank God that the matter has eventually kicked off without rancor. You know, you needed to have been in court to observe the proceedings. All the parties cooperated, and PW1 testified. PW1 is Mr. AAA, as he was designated. He investigated the matter 10 years ago, and today he came and gave his evidence and tendered documents. The matter is very simple. The state has a case against our client.
Well, what I can add is we are finally here. The government is finally having the trial that it desires. Our position still remains unchanged despite the ongoing trial. That our client is innocent of the charges, that the case is driven by political considerations, and in the end, the innocence of our client will be established.
I've seen a change in our system, a very dignified, honorable judge, conducting every proceeding with respect, very respectful, honorable man. I was so impressed. I couldn't believe I was in there, listening to how he conducted the hearing. With doubt, it's going to be a very fair hearing.
Justice Omotosho adjourned the case till Friday for continuation of trial.